Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you will learn how to decode a VIN, that's the vehicle identification number. A VIN reveals your car features, specs and manufacturer details. You will find it in the driver's door frame or lower windshield. To decode a VIN for Skoda, Volkswagen or Audi cars, head over to the website, this one, igorweb.org. Search it and in this site, click the VIN decoder button to begin. Here you can see a box says enter your VIN. Now enter the full VIN number into this box and hit the decode button here. In just seconds, you will get details like here's the model number, year, engine type and production number. Keep in mind, this tool only works for Skoda, Volkswagen and Audi cars, but it's 100% free and fast. If you are checking one of these brands, this is one of the easiest way to get car info without login or in paying. Thanks for watching. Drop your questions in a comment. Hit like if this helped and don't forget to subscribe for more free car tips.